Hey y'all, it's BaQuairi Shanae and I'm back with another video. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment and like this video, and check out my other videos. If you want to know how I got this look, just stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay, so starting out, I'm going to take the NYX eyeshadow base in white and I'm just going to use that as a base to prime my eye and make those colors pop. Alright, so I'm going to go into my Sephora Pro-Editorial palette and I'm going to take the color Eliza-D and I'm going to put that right in the crease. I'm also going to blend it and then I'm going to intensify the color. From the same palette, I'm going to take the color Addy and I'm going to put that right on the outer V. Now I'm going to take the color Electric Violet and I'm going to put that on the rest of my lid. I'm going to take the color Ice and put that right in my inner corner. Going back into Eliza-D, I'm going to put that on the bottom lash line. Also taking the color Electric Violet again and putting that on the bottom lash line as well. Going back to Ice again and putting that right on the brow bone and blending it out with my finger. Using my Wet n Wild H2O proof liquid eyeliner, I'm going to line the top of my eye and create a winged eyeliner with that. Using my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, I'm going to put it on my top and bottom lashes. Alright, for falsies, I'm going to take my Eyelure-Vegas nail lashes in the style Shining Star, and I'm going to use my Duo-Lash glue to apply them off camera, and that is the finished look. Thank you guys.